Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Mattermost on mobile. So let's dive in. First, you want to go ahead and open your App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Mattermost. You want to go ahead and install this one. And once it's installed, you want to open Mattermost on your phone. And right away, it'll ask you to sign in to get started. Then the app will ask for a server URL. Now, this step is actually important because Mattermost won't work without the correct server address. So you want to enter your server URL. This is usually something like https chat.yourcompany.com, but make sure it starts with https, then go ahead and move forward with a display name. Display name, this is simply the name of your server. Now, if you're part of more than one team, Mattermost will ask you which one you want to open. Just tap your team and you should be in. And that's it. You should now see your channels and messages on your phone. That easy. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.